Are you looking for the best DSLR cameras for beginners? In this video we will look at some of best DSLR cameras for beginners. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 is the best beginner DSLR camera for those completely new to photography. It's affordable, lightweight, and has a simple user interface, making it an easy jump from your smartphone. Just like the Canon EOS Rebel T7 in 2000D, you won't find too many bells and whistles here, like 4K video capability or a flip-out screen, but this is a good choice for beginners because of its interactive guide shooting mode. Built right into the mode dial, the guide mode walks you through the basics of photography as you shoot. While it's aimed at total beginners, the D3500 has a sensor on par with the Nikon D5600 above, capturing excellent overall image quality. Its battery life is also fantastic, so it can easily last through long days of use. Ultimately, if you don't know your aperture from your ISO yet, the D3500 or even older generations like the D3400 is a great place to start. However, like the D5600, it's been discontinued, so you'll have to settle for a second-hand model. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel T7 2000D. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 in 2000D is among the cheapest interchangeable lens cameras you can still buy brand new. If you don't want to risk buying a used camera, the Rebel T7 offers a no-frills shooting experience for those on a tight budget. Ease of use and simplicity are the name of the game here, with pared-down controls that anybody can get a handle on. However, unlike the Canon EOS Rebel SL3/250D, you won't find an articulated screen, 4K video, or fast burst shooting. What this camera does have is a high-resolution sensor that can capture great images. Plus, it's compatible with all the same EF/EFS lenses as its Rebel siblings, so you can always improve your photography by investing in better lenses. Ultimately, if you're looking for a cheap DSLR to get you started, it doesn't get more accessible than the T7. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel SL3250D. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3/250D is part of Canon's entry-level SL series, designed, as the initials suggest, to be small and lightweight. In fact, it's the most portable DSLR Canon has ever produced. While it's not at mirrorless levels of portability, it's still very lightweight and easy to take on the go. Beyond that, it's just a great budget DSLR. With 4K video capability, quick burst shooting, and a solid autofocus system, it's a very well-rounded camera with a lot of value for its price. That said, it doesn't feel as well built as the Nikon D5600 and has fewer physical controls than the Canon EOS Rebel T8i/850D. It's not bad for those getting started, but it may feel slightly limiting after you get a handle on exposure settings. Otherwise, it has much in common with its Rebel sibling, including a similar sensor, a fully articulated touchscreen, and an easy-to-use menu system. Ultimately, this is a great little camera that won't break the bank and is lightweight enough that you'll want to bring it with you wherever you go. Number 2. Nikon D5600. If you don't need 4K video capability, you'll be all set with the Nikon D5600, the mid-range model in Nikon's entry-level DSLR lineup. Like the Canon EOS Rebel T8i/850D, it's a fairly well-built camera with a fully articulated screen. Its intuitive user interface and relatively simple controls are also quite accessible to newcomers. Although it has a slower max burst rate and a less advanced autofocus system than the T8i, it can get the job done for most beginner photographers. Beyond that, its high-resolution APS-C sensor can capture high-quality images, and the camera is compatible with both Nikon DX, APS-C, and FX, full-frame, lenses, making it easy to upgrade your kit as your skills grow. Just be aware that the D5600 has been discontinued, so you'll have to browse the used market to find one. Despite that, this is a great choice if you're looking for a mid-tier starter DSLR that won't cost you a fortune. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T8i/850D. The Canon EOS Rebel T8i/850D is the best beginner DSLR camera we've tested. As Canon's most advanced entry-level DSLR, it's a great option to get you started with photography. Like all the cameras on this list, it's compatible with both crop sensor and full-frame lenses, and Canon's EF/EFS lens mount includes a wide range of affordable lens options to choose from if you ever want to venture beyond the kit lens. Unlike some of our other picks below, this is also one of the few beginner DSLRs that can record 4K video, making it a good choice for those curious about video recording as well. While it doesn't quite match up to newer mirrorless alternatives like the Canon EOS R50, the autofocus system on the T8i is one of the most advanced of any camera on this list. That, plus a relatively quick burst rate, makes the T8i a well-rounded choice, allowing you to shoot everything from slow subjects like landscapes and portraits to faster subjects like sports and wildlife.